everyone, I hope you are all doing great today. I'm really excited to share a fun technique with you. Today, we are going to have some fun with salt in painting. It's such a cool way to create texture, and I can't wait to show you how it works. Don't be afraid to experiment. Art is all about playing and discovering new things. So, feel free to get creative with this technique. As you can see, we have just added the salt to our paint and it's already giving us some interesting texture right now. In some spots, I use more water, and in other, more paint, which result in different texture being created. Look at how fun it is to play with the color and see the interesting texture it creates. Wow, I love this moment. Look at the amazing texture that's forming in this brown color. The timing of when we add the salt is really important because it gives us different texture at each stage. Definitely give it a try and see which texture you like best. Sometimes we use this effect to show wave crashing against the rock or along the shoreline. I'm still in love with the texture that developed in the brown color. Added water causes the salt to dissolve, which created a texture for us. What a beautiful, colorful page. Now it's time to take a close look at this texture and enjoy them. Of course, it's not dried yet. Really nice, I think. A wet brush. It's turned into a work of art right now, as if I'm painting the ocean. In some of the painting tutorial on my channel, you can see how this texture I use. This one look like the beach. Wow, what a color! Here I left my work to dry naturally. I didn't use a hair dryer so that the texture could develop. We are removing the salt from the paper now. Look how interesting it turned out. Look at the texture that developed and the color combination. I love it. I remember the first time I tried this technique, it completely changed how I thought about texture in painting. Thanks so much for watching. If you tried this technique, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see your work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tutorial.